Gus, what's the problem with the community centre?
The problem we're having in community centre is being threatened by the by conservative councillors to close the hall because they don't have the license to administer alcohol consumption in the hall, and with that problem is going to affect the people organizing party in the hall. So what that means is they have to individually apply for their license if the council did not issue the license to the community hall, because community hall belongs to the community and we should have the right to have party there. So there's a process in place for the community to get a license, and when that license is being refused or turned down, it means people cannot consume alcohol in the hall. So that's the reason I'm campaigning for the council to give us a license where we can, organize or have party here. So it means we can have thousands of people wishing to have a party and can equally consume alcohol within the hall. But there's a system in place by the community to make it robust, that we have the caretaker. We plan to have the security to monitor the area as well, and the sound level as well.
You can understand. Can I get this right? Should you have had a license since 2003 and you haven't? So you can understand that the council have got to do something about this. Is it your fault?
It's not my fault because it's a voluntary. The committee that manages, they are doing it on a voluntary basis, and they are not experts, and they are willing to work. They are willing to work with the council to ensure there's a proper system in place to get in the future, and we hope that the council should not deny them that opportunity to get their license.
The question is, what is the worst case scenario for the hall? What could possibly happen?
The worst case scenario is the hall will be closed down, and the business model or plan of managing the hall will not exist. It will be so expensive to run the hall. So what that means is the fee for the hall is going to go by 50%. You should understand that the other expenditures, in running the hall, we have to pay for the lighting, the water, the caretaker, and the general security of the building. We need to maintain it as well because it's a community hall. And we are very fortunate to have one of the community members as an accountant who look at the issues and in total, and that has helped us to stay alive. Without that, probably by now the hall will just fold, because it's our hall. We should manage it, and nobody should interfere into our hall. It's a community hall. We love it. People enjoy it, using the hall as well. It's one of the best halls in Torok here. So